Good morning, middle school. It's Mrs. Suki. I'm super excited that you are back and that our building is buzzing with all kinds of kids. There are over 520 middle school students here today, and we're so ready for you to be here. There are lots of things happening in our middle school, and so every Monday we'll do announcements. It won't always be me, but a lot of times it might be me or others coming from my office to give you a little rundown of what you need to know. As you are welcomed back, you have all kinds of changes in schedules, and as you change grade levels, sometimes that matters more to you. So if you're a fifth grader today, I want you to know you have rotations. Your teacher will let you know what that looks like. Sixth graders, it's a band day for you. You have rotations tomorrow. You're not in band, you have study hall. Your teacher will let you know what that looks like too. Seventh and eighth graders, it is an A day, which means it's band for seventh grade and choir for eighth grade. And then all kinds of fall sports start today. So our football players in seventh and eighth grade and volleyball players in seventh and eighth grade get started. And then it looks like our tennis, cross country, and swimming teams have already been busy and active and are having a great start to their fall. We will start announcing what activities are happening throughout this fall as we get going, but there are all kinds of events to take part in this week. At the end of our week, we're going to get together as Lakers and talk about who's all new and as far as our staff and welcome everybody back on the football field. And at that time, we're going to have a challenge. And so you will have a mission that is sent to your Laker time or your classroom teacher today that you're going to help build a plan for the mission. And we are excited to compete with you on Friday. All right, Lakers, you have a great first week. If you need anything, let our office know. We'll be out and about to help you. And we're so thankful you're here. See you soon.